So we have question number 1.3, class 11th, and chapter is unit and measurement. In this question, what they have asked that there is a calorie and unit of the calorie is joule, and it is also written in SI unit as kg meter square second minus 2, right? So you have to employ a new unit they are making, and the unit mass of the unit is equal to alpha kg, the length of the unit is equal to beta meter, and the time of the new unit is going to be gamma second, right? So that a calorie that has a magnitude of 4.2 alpha minus 1 gamma minus 2 and beta gamma 2 and beta minus 2 in term, right? तो ये आपका कोफिशिएंट आएगा उसको सॉल्व करने के बाद। ये पूछ रहा है कि न्यू यूनिट में, ठीक है। तो आपको क्या करना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट ऑल द थिंग्स दैट फॉर एसआई यूनिट न्यूटन दैट द कोफिशिएंट फॉर द एसआई यूनिट, देन मास, लेंथ एंड टाइम, डायमेंशन, व्हाट इज द यूनिट्स, and then for new unit the mass is equal to alpha kg, whatever the mass the new unit is, length is beta meter, and the new unit time is gamma second, equal to gamma second, right? Then up to what you have to do, you have to know the dimensional formula for the energy, that is meter 1 length square and t to the power minus 2, right? And then you have to for write the first unit coefficient and their dimensional analysis, then the new unit coefficient and the new dimensions, right? And then you have to write, then you have to equate, then you have to find the new, actually what is going to happen, the new coefficient is going to be you are getting a new coefficient for the new unit, right? So you have to just solve this and you will going to get that equation, and as per you will solve this, you will going to get the coefficient of new unit is like this, right? So this is the basic method you have to use and while solving this type of question. And if you want an elaborated video on this, you can comment me. I will make a elaborated video because I am making it for the exam purposes, and very less you want to revise it in a very less time. That's why I am making it a very concise video. If you want to get a more elaborated video, you can comment and I will make on this topic. It is obviously you have to understand it well, then you will get more you will enjoy solving it when you get understanding of it.